Hello friends, welcome to Hello English. My name is Rupam and I welcome you all to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss about how to improve your vocabulary. How we can increase your vocabulary. You can have lot of words and phrases in your mind so that you will not fumble, you will not be confused, you will not get blank whenever you talk to people. You will not fare at the same time. I will share with you few techniques. If you follow these techniques, within 3 months, you will be able to improve your vocabulary. And you can see the change, how nicely you will be able to speak English. And one more thing, I have many videos in my channel because almost every day I keep uploading videos. There are a few videos which my subscriber liked very much. These are the videos. If you want, you can also check out these videos. I will give the link in the description. And yes, if you like this video, please do subscribe. Let's begin with this lesson. Firstly, I will tell about this book. This is an amazing book. If you are serious about learning English and improving your vocabulary, you can try this book. I'll give the link of this book in the description. If you want, you can buy the book. So the first thing to improve your vocabulary is that you have to read. Reading plays a very big role to improve our vocabulary. So what to read? First of all, this will come in your mind, right? You can read anything. Whatever you like, you can read. But for me, if you ask me what to read, I read newspaper. It helped me to improve my vocabulary plus my confidence level. Also, I read books. I'll show you. These are the few books which I read. Ikigai, Mindful Zen Habits, Everyday Ayurveda, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. So I love reading. Reading books helped me a lot. But there are different ways how you can read. Let me show you one technique, how you can read and how you can improve your vocabulary. I have opened this newspaper. Okay, so now let me show you how you can read a newspaper. The first thing which you need to keep in mind is that you need to read it loud and clear. First, you need to read the headlines. G20 clinches New Delhi declarations. Next, a bazaar where senior citizens can chat bond. Keep reading whichever you like. Tourist police at key spots to assist guests. Civilian traffic will not be stopped for movement of army convoys in Kashmir. So in this way, you can read a newspaper at the beginning. Morning, when you get some time for yourself, you can start reading newspaper for 5 minutes. Another thing which you can do is that the movies which are based on novels, you can read those novels also. Like The Three Idiots. This is based on a book. Another movie, The Life of a Pi. This is also based on a novel. You can read these books. Got it? Now, another technique is that when you are reading, you should also have a diary of your own. You will come across a lot of new words. Your duty is to note down those words. Okay, here comes another technique which is writing. Writing plays a very big role in improving our vocabulary. Why? Because when we write, all the things, whatever we are writing, it straight away goes to our mind. I remember my father always used to say, whatever you study, after that, write it down so that you will not forget. that rule is also applied here. Now what to write? Okay, I will tell you. You are reading, and when you are reading, you came across a new word. Enjoy. Suppose you don't know the meaning of enjoy. You write it down. The next step is to find the meaning of this word. Let me show you step by step. You log into Google, okay, and type meaning of enjoy. Got it? So, meaning of enjoy is take delight or pleasure in, possess or benefit from. This is the meaning of enjoy. Now, when you understand the meaning of the word, the second step is to find a sentence. Because only knowing the word and the meaning of the word is not enough. You need to know how this word can be used to form sentences. So what you can do here is that sentence with the word enjoy. Okay, now you get so many words. See here. You get so many sentences. I enjoy watching good films. So this is how you can find sentences. And once you get the sentences, you can try forming sentences of your own. It's not only sentences. Now when you know the sentences, you also have to try forming sentences of your own. Try to use the word in your conversation. So it is beneficial you write it down. First you write the meaning of the word, then sentences, and what sentence you can make. That also write it down. Along with sentences, one thing is important. If you don't know how to pronounce the word, okay, what to do? See now. Pronunciation of enjoy. Just type this. Okay? You need to click in this icon. See here.
Enjoy.
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 Enjoy. Repeat few times so that you will not forget. Great. Let's move on to the next technique. Suppose you come across the word beautiful and you don't know the meaning of the word beautiful. Once you find the meaning and the sentences, try to form sentence of your own. The sky is beautiful. Okay, this is the beginning. Here, beautiful word is not expressing anything new. It's just showing the sky is beautiful. So you need to make it a little more long. You have to frame a different sentence which explains the meaning of beautiful. You can say the sky is beautiful today. The sun is shining bright and the clouds are moving very slowly. Here you understand the meaning of the word beautiful. Remember, when you learn a new word, try learning different forms of it. Beautiful is an adjective. You can also find the noun form, the verb form, the adverb form. The noun form is beauty. Verb form is beautify. Adverb, beautifully. See, from one word, you learn 3 more words. How beautiful is that? Another example like, suppose the word happiness. You need to find out the adverb form, the noun form, so that those words also get stored in your mind. Next we come to root words. What is root words? Let me explain you in a very simple way. We take the word ject, J-E-C-T. Okay. Now, what all words you can make with the word ject? You can make like inject, object, subject, eject. So anything which ends with ject is its root form. Another example you can take like logy, L-O-G-Y. So what all words you can form? Analogy, biology, geology, astrology. Got it? In this way, with one root word, you learn many words. I'll be sharing one link in the description. If you want to learn more root words, you can follow that link and learn more root words. Next comes listening. Along with reading, writing, listening plays a big role. Suppose you go to a party and you start talking to someone. If you are unable to listen properly, if you are unable to understand what they are saying, what you will reply? And this is where the importance of listening comes. You need to be a good listener to respond properly. So what all things you can listen? I prefer few channels in the YouTube like TED Talk, like English speeches. This all comes with subtitles. But before that, I would like to tell you, if you are from India, you can listen to some speeches from India. Or if you are from Thailand, you can listen to some speakers who are from Thailand. They speak English, but they are Thai. So what happens? You can understand their accent better. So what I would suggest you is that you can log into YouTube and type moral stories in English. You get this? This channel I like. T-Series Kids Hut.
Himself. He never trusted anybody, so he put all his money in a bag which he carried with him wherever he went. One fine day, a cunning swindler noticed the sage and his bag.
Got it? So it's very easy to understand, right? Once you are comfortable with this type of speech, with this type of talk, you can switch on to something more fast or something which is little difficult. Just for example, the English speeches. So in here, you can type English speech with subtitles. So you get see. You log into this channel and you come across so many videos. And you can watch whichever interests you. Got it? The next technique. This is little different. Suppose the word gargantum, which means very large. Learn words related to that. Try creating a sequence with these words such as tiny, small, medium, large, giant, gargantuan. So try learning this type of sequences. It will help you to learn more and more words. The final one. The quick way to build a large vocabulary is to study a number of words via flashcard. Get some flashcard, write the word. Suppose a new word you get. On the opposite side, write the meaning and the sentences. You try playing this game and you see how nicely you can improve your vocabulary. Aiming for one new word a day is reasonable. So my dear friends, vocabulary plays a very big role to improve our English. To improve our English fluency, rather. Okay, so you have to take it very seriously. The lesson which I have shared with you has a lot of information. I'm sure you have understood everything. If you want any more information, if you want to learn anything new, you can ask me. So till the next video, thank you so much.